Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. How are you doing today? The recipe I am going to make is called Semolina cake with coconut. It's a simple to make. So all you need 1 cup semolina, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup yogurt, 1 cup shredded coconut, 1 cup sugar, half cup ghee, saffron to taste, 1 cup fresh milk. To begin, toast the semolina until golden. Then, in a mixing bowl, combine the yogurt, roasted semolina, shredded coconut, sugar, ghee, baking powder, fresh milk, and saffron. Look at the texture to see how it's look and bake it for about 15-20 minutes. That's all. Look at our delicious sweets. Really wow. Simply wait until the temperature drops and then enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, comments, and like. Have a good day.